Hi, Lucas. What are you going to talk to us about today?
About the nervous system and the digestive system.
So you were wondering about the nervous system and the digestive system.
Yes.
Okay. So you researched and
I did this PowerPoint.
came up with a PowerPoint, one of your new favorite toys.
Yeah.
Okay. So did you have some questions at the beginning of this process?
Yes. Well, I thought, how could the nervous system work? I knew there's the brain.
The brain.
Here's the brain. How do I start this? I knew here's the brain,
Yeah.
but how does it work? How does it go down the spinal cord? How does it send the messages? So then I researched and I found out that these cells, they were connected to the spinal cord, going out of the spinal cord.
Okay. Good.
And then I also found out in books that the messages travel 185 kilometers an hour.
From the brain to the body.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is a slideshow for all of the lobes in your brain. In your brain you have different lobes, like you have to eat fish 2 times a day, 2 times a week to keep healthy.
So something in the fish helps the functioning of the brain.
Yeah.
Okay. So that would be a lifestyle choice, eating fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the brain functions like a computer. It looks after all the parts of the body. Like the computer looks up all of the websites. So think that the websites are these little parts like the ear or the nose. So now this is the computer. And it needs to say, okay, I need to send a message to go to the nose. And then you go on the website. That's why it loads up. It loads, so while the loading goes, it arrived at the nose.
Okay.
And then it tells it what to do, and then it goes.
Okay. What else did you learn?
And
What else
the
were you
brain and the spinal cord together form the central nervous system. And then the little nerves, they are disconnecting from the spinal cord like they were branches of a tree. So yeah, these are the little nerves and they go around the body telling all the messages. Okay, so I said this, now the spinal cord comes, so the spinal cord is a long, thin, tubular bundle of little nerve cells or little bony parts, how you can see here. And these are the connections to the cells.
Mm-hmm.
And here these are the bony part. And the spinal cord is 45 centimeters long in men and around 43 centimeters long in women. Yeah.
Okay.
And that's the total of a nervous system. And the last thing to say is that the nervous system is a big network in our body. And now here's my second system, the digestive system.
Okay.
How you can read here, the digestive system.
We can read that later. So can you tell us, how does the digestive system work? What does it do?
Well, it makes the food useful. It makes the food into...
It makes the food useful for the
Yeah.
body. That's a good way to say it. Okay.
It goes through your mouth, and so it's in your mouth now, and it's little particles, saliva, spit is bakes it up, and then it's sent down through the throat, the esophagus, and it takes about 8 seconds to arrive in the stomach. It takes 8 hours to digest the stomachs. After that, it spends 4 hours traveling through the small intestine, Finally, it arrives in the big intestine and spends 12 hours there while the water gets absorbed. The next time you go poo or pee, it might be from yesterday morning, afternoon, or evening, depending from which time of day it is, because it takes exactly 24 hours
So
to
that's good. That's good information. So you said it
digest.
absorbs water and it uses. You said it makes the food useful for the body, so it's able to take.
And to maintain the digestive system, you can maintain the digestive system by eating healthy food and doing sport.
Good. Done.
And this for effortlessly drains last of the digestive system. That's
They're clapping for you.
yeah.
Good.